By the time December 2011 came along, I was ready to be a paper scrapbooker and ready to dive in to foundation pages and tags and really figure this thing out for real. I set up my album in 6x6 again with these cream and craft foundation pages with the 2x2 grids. It's so funny to think about how much we use grids today, and I think I would love to go back and repeat this format again in the future. So those foundations were paired with a selection of pattern papers from my stash. I do not recall that they were specifically purchased for this project, but I do know I went all in on figuring out number stamps for the first time. I was completely new to stamping, but I was ready to give it a try. Same for using digital overlays. I remember experimenting, relearning Photoshop, trying to figure out how to do these things and add a little bit more embellishment, a little bit more dimension and interest to this project. It's so fun to see the choices that I made and how some of those little techniques like overstamping and little tiny words are things that I still do today. I love this page because of the wrapping paper sample in the background. And of course, some of the overlays are always my favorite and still are to this day. So this was another fun project, some of my favorite photos from when Emily was super little, and I'm glad I have this one.